Special weather statement issued throughout Phoenix Metro for high winds. KSAZ. Special weather statement issued for high winds across the valley. Below are your comments. Metro Phoenix had blustery days for 74 of last 83 days. Particle pollution ranks at top 5 in the world. Glad to hear it was stormy last night. Donnie's coming and he and Carrie Flake have gas. It is monsoon season. Monsoon definition is strong winds. Wow, searing temps, dusty winds, and an overabundance of MAGAs. Who wouldn't want to live in paradise? Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.